Today's class regarding the structure of the coordination compounds. Okay, yesterday we have discussed regarding the formation of the complex compound, how the complex compounds are formed, why the complex compounds are formed, and what is the mechanism through which these D block elements, particularly, they will form the complex compounds. And now today we will discuss about the theories regarding the compounds. What are the theories? There are 3 to 4 theories regarding the structure of the complex compounds. The first one is your Werners theory. The second one is your valency bond theory or VBT, and the third one is your crystal field theory or CFT, and the fourth one is your ligand field theory or LFT. The fifth one is your molecular orbital theory or MOT. Okay, the very initial theory is your Werners theory. What about the conception of Werner? Werner has a big conception, initial conception regarding the structure of the complex. He said that every central metal atom, again I am quoting the words very specifically, that every central metal atom or ion of the D block element. What I say? Every central metal atom or ion of the D block element will be able to form two types of valencies, that is primary valency and the secondary valency. The point is very easy to memorize, that every central metal atom or ion will have two types of valencies. One is your primary valency and other one is your secondary valency. And each of the central metal atom will try to satisfy all these two valencies at a time. Okay, understand? Uh, Second point is here that the primary valency of the central metal atom uh, is actually ionizable. It is bonded with the central metal atom with a very weak bond, and the secondary valency are non-ionizable valencies. They are bonded with the central metal atom with a very strong bond. Clear? And the third point is that the secondary valencies of the central metal atom are actually the coordination number of the central metal atom, and the coordination number of the central metal atom is fixed. Every central metal atom will have a fixed number of coordination number, so the secondary valency is fixed for it. But the primary valency is not fixed. These are having the variations because they are the oxidation states of the central metal atom. That's why they should vary. Okay, and that's why they will be ionized very easily. The next point is the secondary valency is actually showing the geometry of the complex, as because they are fixed valency, so they can show the they can be able to show the geometry of the certain complex. And we say that this primary and secondary valencies, they are both shown in the structure of the or the geometry of the certain complex by the order of their of the structure of the position of the ligand along with the structure of the complex compounds. So this is the basic things regarding your Werners theory. Werners theory, but not conformably, says about the stability of the complexes. It does not deals about the colors of the complexes, how the colors of the complexes develops, or even it does not deals regarding the magnetic properties of the complexes. But it is the starting period, starting theory, we can say that the complex compounds or the coordination compounds can be studied with the knowledge of your Werners theory. Okay. So the very next theory we can switch over. That is your VBT or valency bond theory. I think it should be more better for you to study the notes I have given to you. At present, you just study the notes. I will hear it. Regarding the Warner's theory, what I have given to you, that you point wise you can read. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. This point I have not told you that the primary valency and the secondary valency, the ions which are responsible, the secondary valency, the ions are your negative ions or the neutral molecules. But what are the primary valencies? They are being satisfied with the cations, anions. Okay. Right, let's carry on. Yeah, yeah, I have discussed. Ex- Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. That is the stereochemistry. One last point you have studied, that stereochemistry of the compounds. है ना? Again, repeat the last point. Do you know what about the stereochemistry of the compounds? That is the geometry of the compounds. Stereochemistry is actually the meaning of the stereochemistry is the geometry of the particular compound. Okay. So the secondary valencies are the responsible valencies which can show the geometry of the particular complex compound. So more important point regarding the knowledge of Werners theory is what is actually the development or the presence of the primary as well as the secondary valencies and attachment of these two valencies at a time with the central metal atom. But the primary valencies are ionizable, but secondary valencies are non-ionizable. Why these are non-ionizable? Because these are the coordination number of the central metal atom, and the coordination number of the central metal atoms are fixed. That's why they should not get ionized. Okay. And these primary valencies are no, I mean ionizable. Why these are ionizable? Because these are the oxidation numbers of the central metal atom. That's why they are ionizable. Okay. And the entire stereochemistry or the geometry of the particular complex will be dependent on the secondary valency of the central metal atom. I think you have understood it. Honest theory. Any problem? Okay. So we will switch over into your very VBT. So just open the book of the companion chemistry. regarding the chapter of valency bond theory. Just a minute before I am coming back.